Definitely looking like rain right now. It's a good thing that today's video is going to be inside my Civic Si. So this is something that I was recommended to do a very long time ago, and this is something that I've been wanting to do for a very long time. So the other night I was sitting in my room brainstorming ideas, and I'm like, this is what I'm gonna do. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let's get into it. All right, guys, so I have my Sharpies here, but we're only gonna need one of these colors. Can you guys guess which color Sharpie I'm gonna need for today's video? That's right, we're gonna be using the red Sharpie here, guys. All right, so in today's video, I am going to refresh the SI emblems on my seats. You guys could see, we're gonna start with my passenger side, but you guys could see they're a little faded, obviously, throughout the years and stuff with the sunlight coming in and just beaming down on it. For example, if I hold this red Bride along it, it's kind of like faded to a light orange. I hope you guys enjoy this. Be sure you guys are giving me a like in this video. Let's dive into it. All right, so I'm gonna start on the passenger side here and just carefully that difference already. All right, we are finishing up with the passenger side seat. And this looks so good, guys. Look at the difference. There. Look at that difference right there. All right, passenger side is done. Guys, drop a comment down below. Rate my Sharpie job there. 1 to 10. So there you guys have it. The SIC emblems are somewhat refreshed and restored back to close enough to their original color. Not bad for just a little quick Sharpie job. So make sure you guys give me a like, drop all your comments down below. I'm sure some of you guys did this. I just thought it would be a cool little video to make, and subscribe for more content, guys. Also may go carbon fiber for my dash, so stay tuned for that, guys. I have some more goodies coming for the interior of the SI. That's going to be my main focus for the winter time. Yes, the steering wheel's getting fixed. I already have something planned for that. Interior transformation video coming soon. I ordered some more goodies for the SI interior here. Definitely stick around and wait to see what I went with, guys. Finally ordered a Type S oil pump for the K24, so stay tuned for when that arrives. I don't know when I'm gonna install the Type S pump, but I'm just happy that I got it. I think I bought it was like $50 off, so definitely stay tuned for when that comes in. I'm not in a rush to install it, but just know if anything happens to this car and I need to do a rebuild, this is going to be a higher revving engine. Be sure I'm adding a new addition to the channel, my new daily. Stay tuned, it's going to be sweet. No, it's not a Honda, but it's going to be a really fun time. So hopefully, I got my fingers crossed, I get this thing, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.